Today we are going to see different shapes along with their colors. First, the different shapes are heart. Next is cross. Next is arrow. Next is star. Next one is crescent. The last one is semicircle. We are going to color the different shapes with colors. The first one is heart. We are going to color the heart with pink color. Pink color. Pink color. Heart. Color the heart with pink color. Pink color. Heart. Next we are going to see cross. We are going to color the cross with red color. Red color cross. So we are going to color the cross with red color. Color along with me. Red color cross. Red color cross. Red color cross. It's done. Next we are going to see arrow. We are going to color the arrow with yellow color. Yellow color arrow. Color along with me. Say yellow color arrow. Yellow color arrow. Yellow color arrow. So it's done. Yellow. Next we are going to see star. We are going to color the star with blue color. Blue color star. Color the star with blue color. Blue color star. Blue color star. Blue color star. First we need to color the corners. Then we'll color inside. Blue color star. See, blue color star. So blue color star. It's done. Next we are going to see crescent. So we are going to color the crescent with silver color. Silver color crescent. We will color the silver color crescent. So color the corner first. Color the corner. Now color inside. Silver color crescent. Silver color crescent is done. Next we are going to see semicircle. We are going to color the semicircle with peach color. This is the peach color. Peach color. We are going to color the semicircle. Color the corners first. See, peach color. Peach color semicircle. Peach color semicircle. peach color semicircle. So peach color semicircle is done. So we are going to see one by one again. Pink color heart, red color cross, yellow color arrow, blue color star, grey color crescent, peach color semicircle. Thanks for watching Kiki Kids.